I'm going to teach you how to add anchor text link in Weebly. If you've ever wanted certain words on your site to take visitors to another page with a simple click, this is exactly what you need. An anchor text link is just a piece of text that's clickable, and it's a clean, user-friendly way to guide people to more information without cluttering your page. First, open your Weebly editor. This is where all your content lives and where changes happen in real time. Once the editor is open and your page is visible, make sure you're on the section that contains the text you want to link. Give the page a moment to load all editing tools so you can see the formatting bar that appears when you select text. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Choose words that clearly describe where the link goes. Instead of something vague like "click here," use descriptive phrases like "view our pricing" or "read the full guide." Clear anchor text helps visitors know what to expect and makes your content easier to understand and navigate. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain. As soon as you click it, a link window or panel will open. This is your control center for what happens when someone clicks that text. Now, enter your URL or choose a page. If you're linking to something outside your site, paste the full web address, starting with HTTPS. Take a second to double-check the spelling and the protocol so the link doesn't break. If you're linking to another page within your Weebly site, pick it from the list provided. This keeps everything consistent and eliminates typos. Depending on your theme, you may see options related to how the link behaves. Keep your choice aligned with your visitors' needs. Finally, click Apply. Your selected text is now a live link inside the editor. Hover over it to confirm it's styled as a link and, if available, preview the destination. If you ever need to make changes, just highlight the same text again and open the link window to update or remove it. That's all it takes. By keeping your anchor text descriptive and your URLs accurate, you'll create a smoother experience for your visitors and help them find exactly what they need with a single click. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a more intuitive Weebly site.